Right.
So that there's one that's running this way too. See, that's in between. This might be an easier way to see it.
Right.
That's in between these lines that are in motion. There's a Bloch wall, or I call it a delta zero here. There's one here. And there's one across the magnet. So if I come in and I'm really clever and I figure out the exact point of this Bloch wall, I can modulate it. If I modulate it and my magnets have been conditioned to be asymmetrical, right?
Yeah.
Then what's going to happen here? This was a north pole and this is a south pole. They're going to start switching back and forth. Well, what's 90 degrees from that? The power coil. Right?
Yeah.
Well, it's going to make a dipole. One set of spins are going to go down the wire this way, emanating from it, and the other is going to go down the opposite end, and you're going to get AC. You're going to get this. You're going to get this wave out of it.
Yeah.
Unless you rectify it. And so you're making this structure, you're programming this structure the same way Howard Johnson is programming his gates.
Yeah.
And they're stationary.
Yeah.
Okay. So,
Yeah, I bet most people never even thought that there was any sort of similarity between what Dwight Street was doing